Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I am Captain Kokomo, and this is my first how-to video. We are going to start with a how to create your own intro. And if you'd like to see more of these how-tos and more gaming content, please hit that subscribe button. And you will and click the bell icon, and you'll get advised when I upload a new video, new how-to, new gaming content, whenever it pops up. Without further ado, let's get started. And I will teach you how to create that intro that I just put up for you at the start of this video. We're in Power Director 17, as you can see. And what your first step you want to do is import media. You need to import the files that you want. It's relatively simple. Let's go to Captain Kokomo Media. Oh, no, that's this one. That is my intro right there. It's just a picture. All you need to do, if you don't already have one, is go out and just grab a picture that is themed the same as your channel. If you've got a motorbike channel, go out and grab a picture of a cool motorbike doing a jump or something that looks cool and has room to put in a little bit of text with your channel name and maybe your slogan. That's all you need for an intro. Just a basic intro until later on down the line you can put some finances into it and maybe get a professional one, maybe animated or something like that. But just for now, all you need is a basic little intro like I've got here. And all you do, drag it onto your bar. Oh, no. Actually, I'll do one better, and I will I'll used to use an old video that I've from, I think, yeah, this is my Astroneer one of my latest Astroneer videos. All right. See, so you've imported your Astroneer video, your gaming video, your vlog, your how-to, and this is what it's going to look like. And you want to put an intro on it. So all you have to do, it is very simple. All you have to do, grab your photo, just drag it to the front, insert and move all clips. Moving all clips is important because if you have separate audio files, they will stay at the front there. And you want that little gap there to slot your own audio into. Speaking of audio is the next step. If you haven't already, go out and find, there is some great royalty-free audio sites out there. I'll put a couple of links down below for the ones that I've found, and you don't need something fancy to begin with. All I did was just grab some tropical themed music, and yeah, it's great. It's easy, and I will find it for you right now. YouTube Sounds, Captain Kokomo intro. And all you do is just grab that and trim to fit. Even if it is a full-length song, you only want the first 5 seconds of it. Trim to fit. And that'll cut it down to the first 5 seconds because your intro scene will only be 5 seconds. You can shorten it, you can lengthen it by doing this. Okay, no, maybe not that. You can lengthen it by just grabbing the edge of it and dragging it out. But a good intro is between 2 and 5 seconds. Any longer than that and people will lose interest. Any shorter than that and they won't grab what you're trying to say. So make sure you have it between 3 and 5 seconds and your audio is clipped to 5 seconds, the same as your opening scene. And to add a little bit of extra flair, go to the transition room. It'll be the 5th one down. Is it the 6th one down? And Power Director 17 has 170 different transitions that you can use at the time of recording. And there is everything you could need. They've got burning ones that burn across the screen. They've got broken glass. They've got sparkles. They've got flocking. It is really good. Power Director 17 is absolutely wonderful for first timers and beginners. One I like to use is the ripple. So all you need to do is drag it in between the clips that you are doing. And then it will sit there and you can double click on the transition to have it overlap or crossfade. Pretty simple. And you can set the duration of the transition as well, which is very important. You don't want the transition too long because it will obscure the video or it will obscure your opening scene and people won't get a clear view of what you are and who you are, what your message is. So we'll just close that. And that is pretty much it, guys. So let's go hold down Control and use the mouse wheel to zoom in on your video. That's another little tip for you. Go to the start and let's just see what this does. Starts. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. There we go. Pretty simple. Let's try it the other way. I think I like it the other way better. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Jeez, he's got a good voice, doesn't he? But anyway, that's it. That's pretty much it. That's the basic intro that you need to create an impact. Have your digital handshake out there. If you found this video entertaining, informative, at all in the slightest, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will produce more videos, like more how-tos. I'm going to start with the basics. I'll put a link to a Carmageddon video that I used Power Director 17 to add in lots of little emotes and text lines and things. I'll show you how to do all that later on. I'll put a link up there, and please click that subscribe button. And this is my foundation series that I'm doing. It's a playthrough. I haven't edited any of that, but that's not important. That's just a bit of fun. And anyway, thank you for joining me. Please leave a like, comment down below if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, what you want to see. I'm happy to help out the community. I will help out everyone that asks. So please join me on the next voyage, and I'll see you in the next video.